Get ready for 2026. 24 must-have EDC gadgets, now available with discounts up to 76%. Perfect for everyday carry, outdoor adventures, and smart organization, these compact tools, tactical gear, and portable electronics are designed to simplify your life, boost productivity, and elevate your daily routine. Don't miss these early New Year deals. All 2026 EDC deals are linked in the description below. Number 24. Micro Pry Bar. Now available at only $20, marked down 31% from the regular $29. The Wrango Tools 9.5-inch trim bar is a compact EDC essential with patented wide winged ends, shock-absorbing grip, nail puller, scraper, and bolt remover. Built for pros and DIYers alike. Grab this New Year offer before it disappears. A deal you don't want to miss. Number 23. Case Box. Get it now for just $11. Down from $12 with a 7% discount on this Amazon's choice. The rovyvon RX10 EDC Tool EDC Essential Case is a compact, water-resistant organizer made from durable polycarbonate with shock-proof foam padding. Perfect for protecting flashlights, knives, pens, and small gadgets. Avail this New Year EDC deal before it's gone. Number 22. Hoto Laser. Now just $40, marked down 13% from the original $46 for a limited time. The Hoto pocket-size laser measuring tool delivers precise plus or minus 2 mm accuracy up to 98 feet with a sleek, award-winning design. Featuring an OLED display, USB-C rechargeability, fast real-time measurements, and unit conversion, it's a perfect EDC gadget for home projects, DIY tasks, and tech lovers. Number 21. Rechargeable Flashlights. Now only $17, slashed by 23% from the original $23, this EDC is hard to ignore. This ultra-compact keychain flashlight blasts up to 650 lumens, offers 5 lighting modes, fast USB charging, and up to 40 hours of runtime. Built with a rugged aluminum body and IP66 waterproofing, it's perfect for camping, emergencies, and everyday carry. Secure this New Year deal before it disappears. Number 20. Electric Screwdriver. Save 20% now, just $40, down from the original $50 for 48 hours. Handle precision repairs with ease using the Hoto 25-in-1 mini electric screwdriver. Built for phones, laptops, cameras, and DIY projects, it offers dual torque modes, magnetic bit storage, and a sleek aluminum body. USB-C rechargeable and compact for EDC, it's a smart upgrade to your toolkit. Number 19. USB-C Charger. Slash 24% instantly. Now just $17 instead of the original $22. For this compact EDC power upgrade, the wegear 67-watt GN charger packs serious speed with 3 ports, foldable plug, and laptop-level output in a travel-ready size. Power phones, tablets, and laptops smarter. Lock in this year-end steal before prices jump back up. Number 18. Wallet Finder. Save 33% off at $20 was $30. A slim deal you don't want to lose. The Tile Slim is a must-have EDC gadget for wallets, passports, and luggage. Ultra-thin, Bluetooth-powered, and compatible with iOS and Android, it helps you find items or your phone fast, plus SOS safety via Life 360. Catch this final hour deal before the New Year discount expires. Number 17. Mini Knife. Grab 15% off at $50, down from $58. Compact blade, serious value. The Civivi Mini Elementum fixed blade packs a razor-sharp 2.24-inch Nitro V blade into a lightweight, skeletonized full-tang design. With a Kydex sheath and neck carry chain, it's perfect for EDC, camping, and daily cutting tasks. Secure this sleek carry upgrade while the deal lasts. Number 16. Carabiner. Now only $22 was $24. Save 9%. This 8-in-1 carabiner multitool. This combines a folding pocket knife, serrated blade, rope cutter, screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, and ruler in one compact EDC tool. Perfect for camping, climbing, hiking, or daily carry. Sleek, strong, and versatile. Avail this New Year EDC gear deal before it's gone. Number 15. Ratchet belt. Grab this Gear Tactical Ratchet EDC belt for just $20 was $24. 17% off. Crafted from rugged 1000D nylon with a precision micro-adjust buckle, it ensures all-day comfort, stability, and quick one-hand adjustment. Perfect for EDC, duty, or outdoor use. Snag this New Year tactical upgrade while the offer lasts. Number 14. Sewing kit. Snag the Sunkala Military. Survival sewing kit for just $10 was $12, 17% off. Compact yet complete, it includes needles, thread, scissors, buttons, a seam ripper, and more, all in a durable nylon case. Perfect for travel, field repairs, or emergency situations. Don't wait. Grab this New Year EDC kit before it's gone. Number 13. Flashlight. Grab the Loop Gear SK05 Pro Flat LED Flashlight. Now for $105 was $160. Save 34%. Compact yet insanely powerful, it delivers 4,360 lumens with a 405-meter beam, doubles as an 8,000 mAh power bank, and features 7-mode RGB side light plus magnetic hands-free mounting. Built rugged and waterproof, it's perfect for EDC, camping, and emergencies. Secure this limited offer before it vanishes from Amazon. Number 12. Electric shaver. Snag the cnunkn Mini Electric Foil Shaver. Now just $24 was $100. Save 76%. Compact yet powerful, this USB-C rechargeable shaver features 3 floating blades, IPX7 waterproof design, travel lock, and ergonomic grip for smooth, precise grooming anywhere. Perfect for home or on the go. Grab this New Year grooming limited-time power deal before it's gone for good. Number 11. Sling bag. Score the SkyEsper Anti-Theft Sling Bag. Now $26 was $40. Save 35%. This RFID-protected crossbody bag features 7 smart pockets, triple anti-theft protection, water-resistant polyester, and adjustable padded straps for all-day comfort. Perfect for travel, commuting, or daily adventures. Grab this New Year sling bag deal before it's gone. Number 10. Electric lighter. Snag the Kokimbo USB rechargeable lighter for just $10, originally $13. Save 23%. This windproof, flameless plasma lighter is perfect for candles, incense, and outdoor use. With Type-C fast charging, LED battery indicators, and sleek zinc alloy design, it makes a perfect gift for men. Don't miss this exclusive New Year offer. Grab yours today. Number 9. Key Organizer. Now $25 instead of $30. Save 17% on this sleek EDC essential. This minimalist metal key organizer holds 1 to 5 keys securely, eliminates jingling, and protects your pockets from scratches. Made from aviation-grade aluminum with a handy pocket clip, it's clean, compact, and built for everyday carry. Upgrade your carry while this limited deal lasts. Number 8. Lumen Keychain. Now $22 instead of $26. Save 15% on this ultra-compact EDC light. The Streamlight Pocket Mate delivers 325 lumens in a featherweight keychain design, with a clip-on carabiner for hands-free use and USB rechargeability. Tough, bright, and always ready. Grab this everyday carry deal before it disappears. Number 7. Paw Pry Bar. Down to $10 from $14. a solid 29% price drop. The Spec Ops 10-inch Cats Paw Nail Puller is forged from high-carbon steel, lighter for better control, and designed with dual strike zones and precision claws for fast, clean nail removal. Built for hard work and smart value, lock this deal in before it slips away. Number 6. Multibit Screwdriver. Now $30 instead of $32. A smart 6% saving on a premium EDC tool. The Jorest 19-in-1 multibit screwdriver packs 18 precision bits plus an extension rod into a sleek award-winning design. Built from tough S2 steel with strong magnetic retention, it's perfect for bikes, electronics, furniture, and everyday fixes. A compact powerhouse that earns its spot in any toolkit. Number 5. Sasquatch Men's. Now just $10 instead of $13, a fun 23% off steal. This ape-shaped 11-in-1 EDC multitool blends humor with real utility, packing bottle openers, cutters, wrenches, and screwdrivers into a compact stainless steel design. A perfect pocket companion and a guaranteed smile-worthy gift. Small, practical, and seriously unforgettable. Number 4. Stocking Stuffers. Now $18 instead of $25. Score a solid 28% off. This one-hand gravity-tightening extension cord organizer locks cords, hoses, and ropes in place in just 1 second. Built with aviation aluminum and heavy-duty nylon, it's a smart garage upgrade and a perfect 2025 stocking stuffer for anyone who loves clean, efficient organization. Number 3. Fidget Slider. Now $22 instead of $25. Enjoy 12% off on this sleek New Year desk upgrade. The Ski EDC Sword. Fidget Slider blends elegant Chinese sword aesthetics with a smooth mechanical click for satisfying stress relief. Compact, premium alloy build, subtle sound, and pocket-friendly. Perfect for focus, anxiety relief, and refined everyday fidgeting. Number 2. Machine Sole Fidget. Now $24 instead of $27. Unlock 11% off on this next-level mechanical fidget. The Ski EDC Machine Sole Fidget Slider delivers addictive magnetic slides, crisp ratchet clicks, and a satisfying firing pin finish. Built from solid metal with smart mechanical linkage, it's a premium stress relief gadget designed to keep your hands busy and your focus sharp. Anytime, anywhere. Number 1. Magnetic Wristband. Only $12 original price, $18 with 33% off. Grab this handy magnetic wristband today. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, it features 10 strong magnets and 2 pockets to hold screws, nails, and bolts while keeping hands free. Made from durable, breathable 1680D polyester. It fits most wrists comfortably. Ideal as a gift for dads, husbands, or handymen. Avail this New Year offer before it's gone. Upgrade your EDC collection now and stay prepared for anything. These 24 gadgets combine style, functionality, and innovation, making them perfect gifts or personal essentials. Grab these early New Year deals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing gear updates.